Yo, um, today I'm gonna do a bit like one of the previous videos. I did migration for one of my website called Chanclas, um, which is now on my Proxmox machine. Basically, I did a network of I did a network of I did a local network where my ProLiant G8 is connected. I also have my desktop, which is not running right now, which I will make run. As you see, it just got connected. So that domain that was not working is now gonna work. So Tailscale basically is like a VPN. I found that like randomly. I think it's actually ChatGPT that proposed it as a solution. I did not wanted to open my network because that's a home router, that's a home service right now. So instead playing the settings, opening ports and like that, I decided for my websites to use Cloudflare to serve a website. And I have another virtual machine that's running Tailscale. So my ProLiant, which is connected to the LAN, does this machine does open the access to all my internal IPs, which are Proxmox and ILO management for the ProLiant. So this is the setup I found that's fitting my needs right now. I won't lie, like my network is a bit slow already because it's a home router. It's working perfectly fine for my web server, especially with Cloudflare cache, and like I think it's optimal and simple in my setup. But if I run a big machine like GUI machine, like Ubuntu desktop, there is a delay. The console, the no VNC is not that bad, but the Spice console is it's kind of tricky sometimes. So I I'm just um, I'm just using that setup for now. Also, the Tailscale should be outside of this PVE node, this Proxmox node. I'm thinking about getting a Raspberry Pi Zero to run Alpine Linux on it. This way, if my node actually gets shut down, the VPN doesn't, so that will make more sense in my opinion. So right now, I want to switch that website. This is another of my customer. It's a very simple static website, just with information. Um, I want to switch this first. I think it will be that. One moment. Yeah, I want to switch that domain. I want to point the domain because my goal right now is to remove Amazon of my life instead of paying $50 for my customer. I told myself, why not buying a ProLiant and paying $50 of electricity? Of course, I need to think about the power, uh, like if there is electricity out, um, network probably gonna get a 5G dongle in case network go down. There's a couple of things that that are obviously not that easy. I would like to also upgrade my network at some point. Just gonna connect Cloudflare here. Nice, that's what I thought. Okay, so we should see this. Down there is actually um huh? Okay. It might be there. So confused. What? Keys. Oh, that should be good. I have bad permission. I don't remember what it is. Just spin Linux right now. That should make it work, right? Yeah. No? Um, I'm confused a bit. I can't. No, 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 chill. Okay. What do you mean, bro? Mm. Oh, but that's okay. Then the fuck. Bro, they are kidding me. They are kidding me. Oh, not easy this morning. Not easy. Okay, so this is my server. I have SSH. Uh, there is a couple thing I want to back up. Um, the question is how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, this same problem. Settings, FTP. Should be good. The hell? Just gonna be sure we have the proper one. Okay, okay. What do you mean? What do you mean? Is that how it works? Oh my goodness. Am I wrong? Okay, bro. So there is a big program I have here that I guess I will want to back up. This was nice. This was Binance bot program. I also have something. Bottle, I think. Just for my girlfriend. It's always my girlfriend. Oh, what is it? I don't remember actually. Bottle. I wonder where it is. Probably. You can probably see it there. Nah. Yeah. It's there. I don't remember the port. What did I do? Oops. This. I don't remember. Monit. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. So there is a love bottle that's there, but I already have the source for this. What we're gonna back up, we do want to back up this. I'm just gonna make a server backup. I do want this. Then HTML might take a while. So I have most of these. At the end of the world, what I will back up is only Pavage. What the hell? Okay, I'll just wait a bit. While that, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Um, yeah, 1 GB. So I offer my customer 1 GB. More. Live server. Yeah, I offer 1 GB and one vCPU for about for about two, 15 bucks a month. One gigabyte, which is 124, and we are using the VM traffic bridge. I'm just gonna boot that. And we're gonna start the installation. Okay, so I'm gonna install Ubuntu there. I'm gonna move uh, this domain to my other account because this is my old business account. I just want to move everything in the same Cloudflare. So the way I'm gonna do this, I don't know if I have. Can I have multiple accounts at the same time? That would be so cool. So sad. Okay, gonna log out. Uh, So if I add this domain, quick scan for DNS, it should tell me that it's already with Cloudflare, or it's gonna just give me new DNS. Okay, so look, we don't. Wait, what is my? No, okay, I'm not gonna do it like that. No, gonna delete this. Gonna remove, and then I'm gonna log out. One second, just getting the password again. Okay, got it. Sorry, that's a bit boring indeed. Okay, so I did the DNS here. Oh yeah, I see. That's good. That's good. So we're gonna keep this one. This one. That's good. But wait, I'm confused. Huh? Okay, I think that might cause a downtime, which is not that good, but it's not the end of the world. Now do this. I'm confused why I'm getting all these. This doesn't make sense. Because this is not my IP. Ugh. I cannot regret what I did now. I should have took my time. Just gonna delete everything, and we are going to restart all that. Best if you set up your DNS record. I add DNS record to lavage.dumont.ca and another one thing to my server IP. I should put this in Cloudflare. My server IP is this. Uh, okay, that was not how I set it, but so this and yeah, I think it's that CNAME. CNAME. Whoa. To there. Okay. Then we change this to this to this. and we're gonna wait. So this way, we'll be able to, I'll get an email when it's done. And, and once that's done, I'm gonna be able to run Cloudflare and just connect the server that I'm doing right now. Uh, oh shit, just lost some. Wait a second. Ah, ah. Sorry. Okay, so we want Ubuntu Server. We're able to get the connection through the bridge that is limited only to my customer. It's limited in terms of speed. Um, there is firewall too. I forgot that's true. Which is this. So basically, I accept the HCP from my router, but everything else that is in my LAN is, yep, yep. Just compare. We're gonna accept, then firewall, and we're gonna do accept. Can I copy this? Okay, for that. I guess maybe that could be a security group. Um, pretty sure that's this. Oh my god. Can I do this? Can I do a security group? Yeah. It's in data center. Firewall security group. Create. Yes, I can do this. Okay, so this way I'll copy it once. It's out accept net zero. Can I do this? Come on. Let me just get a picture of this because I'm retarded. Okay. So, oh, the security group. Out accept interface. Interface. What was it? Oh, there is no interface. Okay. DHCP, isn't it? No, I don't put anything there. Come on. Jeez. UDP. Okay. Okay. In accept UDP 67 2.6. Hey, well, that's my getaway. PHP. Okay. This one. Then this is out. Enable UDP 68. DHCP. Okay. Then we drop everything. Wait, that's all out. Oh my goodness, that's out. Okay, and we add one out drop. Destination. This is my LAN network. No LAN access. Yeah, that's basically everything. We can add debug here. So this way the machine doesn't my virtual machine can get DHCP addresses. They can connect to internet through my home router, but they cannot access each other between themselves, which is a problem. You know, if I give access to one of my customer and he just I'm not saying they would, but they should be isolated. Uh, yeah, that's the only goal to do this. So I'm just gonna do it real quick. I will try to do this. Wait. First, let me connect. Oh shit! I should have did this. Gonna install. So Okay, for now we can install this, but we won't necessarily connect to SSH right now. Kinda don't need. Just gonna refresh this. Should be good. Fully soon. Okay, let me just. This is another machine. I'll just log in real quick. Um, and wait. So this is my getaway. I don't know it's working like this. No, it's not a good example. What's another machine that's running right now on my network? I'm confused. Huh? Is that my getaway? Hmm? What do you mean? I think that's my getaway. So dumb. But why? Why did I set it up like this? Okay, wait. I think the proper configuration here is actually not that. This is so wrong. Because I said this, but that doesn't make any sense. My getaway, my router is this IP address. No, oh, yes, thank you. This is my router. Exactly. So my getaway is the one on my router, DHCP. Can I set my firewall for a customer to block all the LAN but allow UDP 1668 IP? Pretty sure that was the. I'm actually so retarded. This is not the setup. I don't understand why it's actually working this way. It doesn't make any sense. I'll go back to. Okay, I have this security group that is gonna be wrong. Let me just get this. So UDP SRC IP. So that's my destination. What is it? Both direction. Destination port. Why? In allow UDP outbound rules out accept UDP destination port 67 HTTP to router. Okay, this one's good. HTTP to router, then in accept UDP source 68 DHCP from router 68 HTTP to router sorry, and out block any. So in this I have IP set, this is my LAN, and that's so weird. I'm just gonna do it like this, no, hold on, sorry, remove, add, like this, local, so that should be good. So we go back here. This is still taken in consideration. In, out, wait, out is destination. Block LAN access out, and then block in drop protocol any. I don't have this. The source is my IP. Debug 2. So that oh yeah, that should have more sense. That is supposed to be like this, I'll just remove this, for now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all of this, all of this, all of this. Firewall. And I will reboot directly the machine. I'm gonna need to go soon though. Ah! That's weird. Okay, let me just add just one core more. Just gonna reboot. That's so odd. No, I don't want to boot from the hard disk. What is it again? IDE2. Do this. There you go. The hell is happening with this machine? That's alarming. So I'm just so this is my desktop computer. I don't know. Oh, yeah, probably right. Wait. Destination host unreachable. Firewall option. Just disable the firewall temporarily. There's like 3 firewall settings everywhere. It's possible. I mean, I actually don't have any web server running. So what could I do? Bro. What the hell is happening? Run. So I'm booting from the disk before anything from the CD. Thank you. Gonna try to install with one CPU more. Sometime it happen. Sometime it happen. But yeah, look. Still, I'm getting an IP from DHCP from my server, which is nice. Just trying to think how could I test this. So I can ping my getaway, which is good. Um, What's a device I could ping to? That's gonna be close to it. I have it on. Let me just get another device on my network that I could try to ping. And it should work because the firewall is disabled. And then, so okay, let's try this. So that's my phone. Okay, that's my phone on my own router. So now if I activate the firewall and use the security group interface. Wait, let me just get the. So net zero is the interface, the network interface, which is shown. Where can I see this again? Yeah, sorry, net zero. So firewall, insert security group, net zero, enable. Now I should not be able to ping the same device. Awesome, I can. Wait, uh, actually, can I? Yeah, I can still ping it. Okay, wait. So firewall. This is on. Yes. So see, that's my that's the HTTP stuff, I guess. Okay, let's just try to reboot it. Actually, let's just go check if the security group is firewall option. Firewall is set. Data center firewall. Yes. Security group, customer, accept, drop. Oh yeah, okay. So let's see this. So confusing. This is set. I go back. There you go. Now it's closed, but I still can ping the getaway. Can I? So if I just go back here, accept, accept. Just be sure. Oh, it's 67. The out or the in? The out is 67. Oopsie. Okay. But maybe the ping is not gonna work because it's DHCP. How can I on Ubuntu Server retry DHCP? Let's go to restart. That's ENS 18. DH client release ENS 18. Huh? DH. What do you mean, bro? I'm confused a bit. Oh. Net plan. So, net plan. Apply. Wow. Firewall log. That's not now. I mean, I'm getting an IP. Specifically what I want to do. Ping. That's what I want. Because I don't have a map. I don't want to install it on my customer machine. Sudo nmap su p damn. Sure. Not very sure. Why? Bro. That's so weird. I mean, oh, maybe it's because it's so done. So, and map. Let's try this. Let's try this. That would be funny. I knew it. It's because of Snap. So that should be working. Log. It's not gonna output any log for these. So see, that's open, so we good. Um, yeah. But I don't forget that I cannot um, ping my phone, which is on my same network. So that's gonna work. So I know that was not part of what was the goal of this video, but now that I'm confident enough that the firewall is behaving as it should, uh, I'll do this. I can even set the firewall straight up. Let's see. Contrast firewall net zero. Hardware net zero. It's already perfect. Pretty sure it's working as I want. So the machine is able to connect to internet. Uh, I wonder if it should be good. Let's see. Okay, so I'll just take a pause and we can meet later after the installation of Linux. Okay, so yesterday I was struggling a bit installing um, the Ubuntu server. I think it was missing some. Hello, hello. Yeah, makes sense. I was missing some RAM and some CPU for the installation process. I'll downgrade it back to what I give to my customer, which is 1 GB RAM and one CPU. Actually, I might even go lower, half a gigabyte for RAM. Uh, and yeah, so we successfully installed Ubuntu on a new Proxmox server. Uh, Yesterday, I changed my domain to my account, transfer Cloudflare account. Sorry. I also connected to my instance, my EC2 instance, and I download the website I want to get. I was having multiple websites on the same server. I was using Apache config sites enabled to point different domain to the same IP, but based on the domain, it was pointing to different directory. But the thing is, right now with my current setup, I do prefer having separated separated server for each of my customer, because let's say this one having 1 GB memory, which is enough because there is a Python backend serving images and stuff like that with one processor. Um, it does use more space in term of the disk, but the thing is, instead of having all the website in one server and using Apache to manage it, I find it more easy to let's say give my customer access if they need through SSH. Um, Also to manage, like to not get not make everything messy. Like, oh, this website required this backend and he you need to serve this and that, and like I just prefer to stick one customer, one server. So this is what I was doing yesterday. I did successfully finally install another Ubuntu server. For some reason, there was not enough RAM to make the installation process, so I'll just put back very minimum RAM, because this is a static website. This is a very basic static website. So we're just gonna do the minimum. We can actually go Ubuntu server minimum requirements. I'm pretty sure we can find this here. Minimum RAM. I mean, I could even lower this 5 GB. Okay, I thought the minimum could be working. Yeah, that's good. That's okay. uh, So that's VM 103. If I go this VM 103, in Proxmox VE, can I resize a VM storage? Select your VM, go to the ROS, select the disk you want to resize. Oh, I can do this. Ah, I can only shrink. Okay. Shrink and it's LVM. I'll back up your VM. Let's take care of that. VM IV. Boot the VM with a live Linux. Okay. That's cool. M10. Can we do through Proxmox CLI? Okay. Target this data. Search. Current disk. SC0. I want to have 5 MB. Then, you know what? I might do this later. It's not the end of the world. It's kinda suck. Okay, I'll do what I came for. I'll migrate this. It's gonna be done. Uh, gonna reboot. We're also gonna remove the ISO, the CD. Um, there you go. We should be able to boot. Just gonna reset the machine to Proxmox 2 again. There you go. So now I have the 1 GB memory and one core as I want to. Oops, I don't think that's valid. Be able to boot, to log in. Uh, so my memory is 1 GB. But see, they say RAM one. Ah, look, I'll update. Get update. Update the upgrade. Just upgrade the server. Just to see how the memory acts during some process. I'll keep that for later to the resize of the disk because I do want to resize some of the disk. I feel some use too much. See, that's super cool. That's Alpine Linux. That's running my VPN. I think it might be that. Is it? Yeah. I don't know if there is etched up, but this is a very small virtual machine that does perfectly the job. I never used Alpine before, and see, we get this is the minimum memory that I could find on internet. Boot size of 1 GB. It's much more efficient than a server. I see we're reaching. We do reach good memory usage. So I think we're gonna keep 1 GB. Okay, so I'm migrating a simple HTML website from my EC2 instance to my local fresh Ubuntu 24 server. I want to put in Apache, get new certificate with Certbot, then Use Cloudflare. Oyster recipe. Okay, so I did copy the website already. Just gonna be sure that Apache is running. I think it's already there by default with a server. I'm not even sure. Wait. Can I copy? I can't copy in no VNC, but I know Spice does support it on my Linux work computer. Is it worth it? No. I'm gonna install Spice just for this, for a couple of comments. Sorry. Oh no, I'm so dumb. I lost my Shakespeare strike. Oh. Okay, so Apache is running. I'm just gonna get my local address. That's on my own router. 1, 2, 2, 214. We should see an Apache web server default page. Yeah, we should. Can be reached. But the thing is, I might, because of the firewall, which is customer group. If we go here, firewall, no, here, firewall, security group, we can see that we're dropping everything that's from my local network. Here, everything that's so my customer cannot access other customer server or my home router devices. We did set that yesterday, but now I would just like to test something real quick. I'll just disable all that just to see if it's if it is the issue. What? Sorry, confused a bit. Okay, firewall. Okay, let's accept. This should not be working because it's still on the same. But then just remove the firewall. Just retry. That's odd. There's no log. 1029 group customer. So I do see something. 214. Yeah, I do see the request that is blocked, which means it's working, which is cool. That just I still should be able to do this. And then it should be working. I don't see why it will not. What time is it now? It's 9. It's now. It's still in group customer. But it should pass because I just deactivated it. Is there something I don't understand? You know what? Let's just reboot. Okay. Firewall is still activated, but there is accept. Firewall activated. But it's not in customer group. Yeah. I'm stressing. So we got the same address. I am confused. I won't lie. I am confused. There is no log directly in there. We're 32. If I go there, 32 is still there. Oh, wait. Bro. That's DHCP, I think. Uh, security group. Oh. What's the joke? And just add debug just to see how it go. Also customer and security group customer there. It doesn't reach here, right? So if it's not reaching here, I see the request. That's my getaway. That's not it. So confusing. Well, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Do I have? That's inactive. I've just opened the chat. I have Proxmox data center firewall set on input output forward input output input output forward all accept with security group allowing TCP for DHCP to might get the way, but blocking all LAN de ainsi de suite de 4. Firewall. The node itself a firewall on 2. The VM have firewall and is part of the security group. I get the HTTP address. I can't seem to access the Apache server with the IP from my desktop since I'm on the same network, but I don't understand why if I move either the firewall or uncheck the security group drop, the firewall log of the node show the request but still block them. Everything is accept except the security group, and then if I disable it directly in it or in the on the VM, it doesn't let me access. I see the log. I just want to get this let's see. Ah, so security groups should apply and job rule will override global accept. Yes. Still linked to the group firewall. Show group customer in. This is in. Everything is disabled. Security group. Customer. Unassign the group from the VM. Change the rule to accept. You know what? Let's try this. Okay, so just for test, just for test right now. But actually, right, if I go permission, no, need to reload the firewall rule. Oh, okay. Go to VM firewall or something. Oh, okay. Click reload the firewall, top right corner. I don't see this. I do not see this. You know what? I'll just remove it. Uh, if I do this, this is so wrong. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. And it's weird because oh no, I was going to say I can SSH in, but I don't think I can. Let's try this. Maybe it's that. So, no need to reboot, reload, so secure reboot. Like this, and then PVE shell paste. What? Oh, okay. No change. Compile. Does it reload? No. Start. Oh. There was no change, right? Oh my goodness. See, this is weird. This is weird. Ugh. Ah. Just try something quick. Oh my god, man. So I just retick that. Now it's not working. I don't understand why they do this to me, bro. And now it's working. Is it? Yeah, now it's working. That's so dumb. Okay, now it's working. Now it's still working, but it shouldn't. If I do this, if I do this, now it's still working. That's so weird. And if I uh, compile, what is it again? Start. Okay, do this. What's the option? Now it's not gonna be working. Now it's giving me a headache. But I don't think it's gonna work. Yes, yeah, I see the log in customer from. No, that's not even it. What time are we? 53. Yeah, it is. Yeah, now I do unblocked. It does work. Okay. So this rule is working. I have the actually I will activate it just for now. It is very confusing though. Now it's instant. Wow. Okay, bro. Okay. So next step, uh, I will open SSH. How can I open SSH accept password? Password VM. No. Okay, let's do this real quick. Just gonna go there. Console. Just gonna externalize it. So nano sshd config. Password authentication. Permit root login. But actually, I will not. Password authentication. This is what I want. Password authentication. That should be saved. No. System control. Restart SSH. Now firewall is disabled. It's disabled. Now I should be able to cd server backup. So this is the website I want to move. I should be able, just gonna test this. Pavage at the suite. What is it again? The okay. Yes. So I'm able to SSH, which is awesome. How can I move? SSH open. How can I move the old directory pavage gmail to the HTML recursively? No, both. Machine to the VM. That was white temp. Oh, okay. Possibly just prevent. Okay, so pavage demo is here. Pavage demo at c'est suite de what was it again? 214. There you go. Now I'm gonna SSH. So pavage demo is indeed there. Um, actually, remove the HTML. Page de non. Bah. Okay, so the website is there, and then we are gonna do this, but like this, and then like this. We should see the website. Awesome. And then actually, I am in SSH. I can do this. This might not be the best way to install it. I mean, yeah, it's better that we use this command. By the way, VMBR1 for VMBR1 is my VM traffic. It's supposed to be limited. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. The network device is limited here. I understand now. And what I will do is here. What the hell? I cannot limit it. I need to limit it for each machine. Why? That can't be. That's kinda suck. Oh yeah yeah. Okay, so Certbot is installed, gonna link it per the instruction here, and then there's no complicated Apache configuration. I don't want anything like that. Just want straight up like this. Yes. No. Okay, probably because uh, okay, probably because okay, wait. I migrated my Apache file, no, my website file under the HTML. If I go on my local IP, I do see the website. Certbot currently fail. Uh, is it because there is no Apache config for or AP, or do I need to run Cloudflare before? Does not result to a server IP. Make a public IP to verify the ownership. Let's look up there. But I don't want to open my public IP. That's why I want to use Cloudflare. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Ooh, that's kinda cool. Is it a thing? Is it actually a thing? Data count and register certificate, standalone, Apache, web root, manual. I'm pretty sure that doesn't. Cloudflare Certbot. Oh, there is actually. Huh? Just plug in with root. Oh, that's so cool. This is a first. This is a first for me. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Need setup DNS credential. Okay. So the flag Apache. Certbot support DNS. Create Cloudflare credential. Go to my profile. Okay. Cloudflare. My profile API token. My profile API token. Create a token. Use the edit DNS template. Yeah. Zone. Zone. Include specific zone. Okay, I've just masked it. One moment. Let me 1 second. I mean, I'm just trying to get my credential properly. Sorry. Why? Just got it. Uh, ah, slash mode. Oh, so I do need to Cloudflare DNS for me. I mean, that's emballage. Like this. Oh, my bad. Bruh. I'll try to propagate. I think we might want to wait 60 seconds. Like this. Hopefully. Do I see something there in the DNS? Ah, sorry. I don't. There is none. That's weird. Oh no, it is. It worked. It worked. Awesome. 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 Okay. So this this is wait. Sorry. Uh, uh, uh. So that's about this. So okay, let's create this. Let's do this. I just want to do something too. Can I dry run? So we got the certificate for HTTPS. Uh, renew dry run sudo certbot renew dry run. Just to be sure. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Awesome. We Gucci. So maybe at some point the API key for Cloudflare will expire. I did not notice. So that, but we get email notification when this happens. Yeah, so that's cool. I did not know I could do this. Um, quite practical. I won't lie. So let's encrypt live version. Yep, yep. We Gucci. That's already done. And then we're gonna get the Cloudflare Tunnel right away. Yeah, so that was success. We're good. We're gonna create a file here. This is all checked to make sense. Yes. What's this? Close, close. Oh my goodness. I'm confused. Wait, oh, I think it's gonna be there, yeah. No sudo. Okay. Sorry. There you go. What the hell? Well, I should be good. Now I should be able to get HTTPS. A matching certificate. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I'm because I'm going through the IP, but it expects the domain. Uh, yeah. So we're just gonna go back to Cloudflare. Cloudflare. Yes, should be good with that. But Cloudflare, they really did change the. I mean, it's genius. It's genius. So we give access to the tunnel to that domain. There you go. Okay. Wish to copy successfully. Blah, 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 blah. create my tunnel. Pavage. Um, look, I will do. Do I need to create a config now? Then to create a config. Sure. I mean, just this to be sure. Sorry that this Cloudflare DNS and 3. I'll set proxy to the same Cloudflare Tunnel as Pavage more. So we should indeed be good. Yes. Reason that to create require last name that already exists. Oh, that's because this is my old server. So we will delete this. And we will run this. And then we will. You can see the tunnel here. Just gonna run all this. We want this as a service. Should be running. Enabled, running. And you can see that there is the connection. We start at boot. So if Pavage Dumont should indeed point here, that's odd. If I go okay. I'm going to get white screen. I can see in the I mean, that's weird. We well, the first pass listening. Bro, are you kidding me? Huh? Bad getaway. Oh, oh. Uh, damn. Okay, wait. Oh. So I was talking about this. What do you mean, bro? Oh, I think I understand. I think I understand. I hope it's gonna work. Okay. Yeah. And I get HTTPS. WW work too. Same. So we good. It was what is the explanation they're giving? You're using HTTPS with the port 443 in your Cloudflare config, but your Let's Encrypt certificate is issued for paragimo.ca, not this IP. That's why Cloudflare refused the connection. It's being strict about TLS. You have two clean options recommended with Cloudflare. Will terminate TLS and forward traffic to your local Apache. Okay. One thing, HTTP. Pavage du nom. If I just do HTTP. Yeah. Working, but HTTP still work. I don't want only HTTPS. Cloudflare dashboard. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll quit that. Then we're gonna restart Cloudflare. Website does work, but you can see not secure because it's HTTP. We're gonna go in the Cloudflare overview for that domain. SSL TLS. Edge certificate. Universal. Enable always use HTTPS. Where always use HTTPS. Automatic HTTPS rewrite, which is done. See, did you saw that? I go HTTP, I'm getting HTTPS. So this is perfect. That's usually what I was doing, redirecting directly in the Apache configuration. So we do have a basic web server that sorry, I'm losing my word. Did the same thing for Chunk class too, but yeah. So we do have we migrated the file from our Amazon web server. We migrated the domain from an old Cloudflare domain to my new central Cloudflare domain. We did installed um, new virtual machine in Proxmox using Ubuntu Server. Gave one CPU, 1 GB, which is enough for that kind of website for now. Um, and wait, Just get this. So I should not be able to go anymore to that website. I hate this. I hate that it's working this way. I swear. It should be instant. Just gonna reset my firewall. So I can't even access it from my local from my local but I still can't get it through Cloudflare. So yeah, we moved the website through this Proxmox node. We then edited the DNS to point to our Cloudflare tunnel instead of the old IP address of the old server, and we're running on boot the machine when the node boot, but we also run Cloudflare on boot too, which is awesome. So yeah, that was my migration video. Um, I hope you enjoyed. I think what I want to showcase is it's impressive what you can achieve with AI help and with a simple setup with a home internet, local internet. Uh, yeah,